Admin can create drivers and see the details of all the existing drivers. As you can see, these are the registered drivers, their names, email IDs, phone number, the type of device that they are using, the app version, the team to which they belong, and the status, either they're offline, in transit or idle, are shown here. Efficient filters are available. For example, here you can search by the name of the drivers. As you can see, one driver is displayed. Here you can search the drivers based on the status. For example, if I select idle, you can see the drivers who are idle in the idle state are only shown here. Here you can see the number of drivers who are in the idle state, in transit or offline are shown. Using this option, we can either block one driver, delete the driver or edit the driver. I'll show delete driver. We click on delete and yes. You can see the driver has been deleted. Now I'll show you how the admin can add a driver. To add a driver, click on add driver. Enter the name, the last name, phone number, email ID, password, and the team to which he is assigned. Suppose he is assigned to Marathali team. So we select Marathali. The admin can add some notes. Suppose this is a new driver, so we add new driver. The admin can select the transportation type that the driver is using. We select bike. The description of the transportation. The color, and the license plate number. Now click add to add the driver. As you can see, the driver has been added. And this is the driver that we have added right now. The drivers can be also imported by clicking on import. Here we can select a file and then submit. This will import the driver information. The information of the drivers can also be exported. Click export. As you can see, a CSV file has been downloaded. This exports all the driver information. As you can see, the details of all the drivers has been exported.